Viewports' relative length are based on the width and height of the view window of the viewport, while the viewport is the framed space on the screen. This viewport's relative length can be the perfect solution for some responsiveness issues that percentages cannot solve. For example, what if you wanted to use the width or the height of the viewports instead of the width of the parent element? That's exactly what the viewport's height and viewport width units provide. The VH unit, which stands for the viewport height unit, is related to the height of the viewport. The value of one viewport's height is equal to 1% of the height of the viewport. This unit is useful when you want to control an element's dimensions based on the height of the browser window. For example, if the height of the viewport is 300 pixels, 1 VH would be 3 pixels. 10 VH would be 30 pixels, and 100 VH would be 300 pixels. The viewport width unit is related to the width of the viewport, and it works just like the VH unit. Now you can go further with the controlling of your layout with the viewport relative length units with Vmin and Vmax. Vmin and Vmax are related to the maximum or minimum of the width and height of the viewport. This may be a little bit confusing. Trust me, everything will be clear when we see an example. Let's say that the width of the viewport is set to 800 pixels and its height is set to 500 pixels. 1 Vmin would be 5 pixels and 1 Vmax would be 8 pixels. If the width was 400 pixels and the height was 800 pixels, 1 Vmin would be 4 pixels and 1 Vmax would be 8 pixels.